Have you been looking for a city compact sedan with functionality and every luxury option you could ask for? Take a look at this 2015 Hyundai Sonata Limited in Urban Sunset. With high-intensity discharge headlamps, turn signal indicator mirrors, heated mirrors, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear parking sensors, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, navigation, backup camera, dual zone temp control, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, pass-through rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, remote trunk release, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3138A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.